Hey, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to display content on the page based on the user registration date. As an example, so this user registered 2022 October 25th at 12:30 p.m. And then, so this part on the top banner says save 30%. It's going to appear. And it says this offer is valid for only 24 hours after you sign up. So that means for this particular user, so when it comes to 2022, October 26, 12:30, 24 hours later, so this banner disappeared. So I think this feature is useful when you are promoting any time limit special offer, and this encourages users to sign up to your website so that they can get the special offer. Hi, my name is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. So let's get started. In this tutorial, we need JetEngine plugin, and we need to enable this dynamic visibility for widget and sections. And we're going to be using Query Builder. So I created this simple page with Elementor. It's called Special Offer. So I got this banner here, save 30%, but it says this offer is valid for only 24 hours after user registered. Now, so you select this section and go to Advanced, and now you see dynamic visibility. So we're going to turn this on, enable it, and then show element if condition met. And so the first condition is a user logged in, right? So they have to register. So you go to condition, it's right here, you see user logged in, right? So if I go view page, I'm going to hit update. So go to view page. So of course I see it because I logged in. Now we got to set this query only last for 24 hours. So to do that, so I'm going to be using Query Builder. So let's go back to dashboard. So under JetEngine, so you see Query Builder. So let's click that. So I've already created a query. It's called limited offer. Okay, so let's take a look inside. I named limited offer, and query type is user query. All right. Now go to this exclude or include exclude. So you're going to include, click here and pick current user ID. Now the next one is you have to set up date query. Okay. And we're going to add a new. Before that, you need to add this macro. I'll copy and paste this URL on the below the video. So you have to add this PHP code. So I'm going to just copy that. Oops. Right. And now I use code snippet. So code snippet is free plugin. It's pretty handy here. So I use that. So let's go back here. And then now I see snippets here. And then I'm going to add a new. And I'm going to just copy that PHP code. And I'm going to just name it format date string macro PHP. And I'm going to just save and activate. I think there's a button, right? Save, change, and activate. So that should work. All right. Now let's go back to JetEngine and the Query Builder. Okay, and go to limited offer and go to date query and then add a new. Now go to after. So right here, because I installed the PHP code, now you will see here format date string. Okay, so you pick that. Okay, so I have to pick the right format. So let's check something here. So go to under tool. So I have, it's called the SQL Buddy. So this is a plugin I use. And then let's open up here. And I want to just double check. So this is just SQL table. And I'm looking for users, right? So let's just check this out. So you will see that the register date here. So that's the year, month, date, the time format here. So I gotta check that. So you have to match this format. So I'm going to just Google WordPress datetime format, and then right here. All right, so you see, I think the format I use is this YMD, with the hyphen in between. And then here is, time format here. So the format you want to use is Y-M-D space H colon I colon S, and back to query builder. And again, so we have date query and after, and here's format. So I'm going to just paste that. So the date string is now minus 24 hours. Again, so if you want, you can change anywhere you like. So if you want, like 3 days, you can just change to 3 days. In my demo, I'm gonna just use, 24 hours limit offer, and show by. So now you can check, use server time or UTC plus 0. So you're gonna use that and hit apply and update the query. Okay, and let's go back to Elementor page. All right, so make sure this section is selected and dynamic visibility is enabled, right? So once again, show element if condition met. And then for the condition is user logged in. And we're gonna add another item here. And then so we have to pick this, query has items. And then query to check is we have this limited offer query we built, and hit update. And that's it. So let's test it out. So here is the special offer page. So of course I don't see the banner. And let's sign up here, register to this website. Okay, so that's the username, and then sign up. Okay, so I created the account here. So let's go to the special offer page. So now I see it, right? So this banner should last for the next 24 hours. So let's just bring here. So let's go to scale by. So just gonna verify this. I'm gonna just use a table. So right here, so I have new user, right? And then so the time is here. So October 26, 1829. All right, so this is a bit confused. So it says 1829. Here is 2:32 p.m. So it's kind of different. So I'm gonna just verify this. Go to setting in general, and then right here. So the universal time is October 26. That's 1832. So the local time, my time is 1432. So there is a 4 hours difference here. But anyway, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow, so which is 27th, and then it's about 14:32-ish. Let's check it out. Hello, it's me again. So it is 2022, October 27th. The universal time is 21:17. So it is actually Thursday, October 27th, 5:18 p.m. So it's about 27 hours past. So I'm gonna log in as this user, right? So test like October 26th, right? So I'm gonna click that. And then go to, so this special offer page. So look at this. So the 30% discount banner is gone. And now let's go back to admin and then JetEngine query builder. So I'm going to just put this side by side. Right, so limited offer query. So remember this, we set 24 hours. So if I change that to, let's say, 48 hours, hit apply and update. So the banner should appear. So let's refresh. So look at this. Okay. So if I change back to 24, because technically 27 hours passed since I registered. So if I refresh, it's gone. So this was the tutorial for how to display content on the page based on the user registration date. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.